Mayatita. That was one of the name I used during my wandering. It's my favorite name. Mayatita. I used 54 names. The 54th name is Paramahamsa Nityananda. Used 54 names during my wandering. It's a rule of the wandering not to use the same name when you go to the different places. Because in one place, if you get the good name, devotees find your greatness, they should not inform the other cities to receive you and take care of you. You should go as a beginner and be able to inspire people by your very radiance and presence and the body language. I have seen in many villages, usually in all villages in North India, there will be a huge banyan tree in the center of the village or a neem tree, under which there will be small deities, or the old people will be sitting and talking. But one good thing in North India, I have always seen the elders sitting and talking some philosophy or Bhagavatam or all those things. So usually, this is the way I will start typically in any village. When I give entrance, I will find out that solitary temple or the tree, go and sit. Usually first day people will look up and down and walk. Second day they will see without even changing the posture, I am just sitting. They will look curiously. By second day evening they will ask. They will not know whether I speak their language or not, so they will ask in the just through action. Baba Kana, I will say. If I say, then they will walk. Third day, usually morning, I will see that they will not even ask. They will be there with little food or fruits, or usually only uncooked things they will bring, because there is an apprehension that sadhus may not eat the cooked food, cooked by somebody else. So uncooked food they will bring. But when I eat the fruits, they will know, oh, he will accept cooked food. Then by third day, it will be a feast. If I stay there for a week and leave, I will see at least some 20 people will be walking with me till I go to the next place. They will walk with me at least for 3-4 hours. This is a usual drama. This is a usual drama even while I was traveling in US to teach. When I land, nobody will be there to receive. Only myself and Ragini will go. She will drive and find out the organizer name, who wants to host us, not even organizer, who wants to host us. Then after 3-day public satsang and 1 ASP, when I leave, some 40 people will be standing in the airport with the tears to give me farewell. It's a usual drama. If you are an old devotee, you can remember the good old days. It's a usual drama. Mayatita means even if Maya appears in front of you and says, I liberate you, you will say, who are you? Relax, go and take care of your job.